Hi, I'm Mason. Today we're going to do a fire extinguisher experiment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the baking soda into the vinegar. So now I'm going to pour this stuff in on, well, not in the candle, but I'm going to just put it next to it. Whoa. So we made carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is in fire extinguishers. The bubbles in the solution were carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide displaces the oxygen that flames need. Join me next time.